So marami pong meaning ng ating tubo. So again po, we would like to invite you in front para po kayo po ay mabinyagan. We call it tubo. Opo, lahat po kayo. So ito po ay, it's also a wish for good health. So marami po talaga. Actually, ako po dati mahiyain, pero I've learned to love the tradition because it means a lot for the visitors. And to top it all, you will be treated like you are real queens because you will have your corona crowns. Okay? And some more, a little background.
So, commonly performed to welcome, as P.E. Cora mentioned, to welcome guests and to wish them good life, health, and luck. It is also done during birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, or any special events that the person is thankful and praying for a blessed path in life. Kaya bago po tayo magsimula, pwede bang i-request natin sa ating mga audience? Kapag sinabi po namin, game ka na ba? Sasabihin niyo pong, Gina.
Okay? And we have the
Gina na.
Ayan. Okay? Ang ating mga putongero mag-cheer muna. Okay? Let's have it again. Tayo nyo.
Nakikinig ba yung ating mga putongero?
What's your cue? What's your cue?
Pag sinabi kong game ka na ba, sasabihin niyo pong, Gina na.
Yan.
Game ka na ba? Gina na.
No. Yan. Game ka na ba?
Gina.
Yun. Gina. Yun pala eh. Okay. Okay. Sige.
One more. Game ka na ba? Gina. Game ka na ba? Gina. Handa pa rin yung ating mga...
Sasamahan pa, one more time. Meron kasing symbol siya. Pwede? Oo. Para perfect tayo. May ganon. Paki-illustrate ko. Ayan po. G and then, eto po, look. Yan. Okay. As you say your cheer, kasama po yung akin. One more time.
Game ka na ba? Gina! Game ka na ba? Gina!
Perfect. Palakpakan po namin. Yan. That's how we start our occasion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And this time, let me give you ang ating magpuputong to welcome our guests, to wish them good health and good luck, prosperity, and safety. Let us have the tubo of Marinduque.
Aliwin ang may kamisa o pabili-bili, panawa'y tiwasay, walang kamipay, pagtatagumpay o pabili-bili, walang iwasan, walang Nobyembre, ipagtatagumpay. Dahil at pakay ang mahal niyong ngalan, mga santo at santay, ating dinadalaw. Ang dahil at pakay ang mahal niyong ngalan, mga santo at santay, ating dinadalaw. Di man kami may piyesta ipagpunyi nang kami dumating sa inyong harapan. Agad sinalubong ng kaliwanagan. May dalawang anghel na namamagitan. Isang bulag na ang hawak sa kamay. Aking ko'y may dala na mga korona. Sa kamahalan nyo ay natatalaga. Ang kasama nito'y marikit na palma. Sampunang bulaklak ng kaaya-aya. Tayo ay sumulong sa loob ng bahay. Pasok ang
and Peter. At sa magpapatuloy po. Okay, bigyan naman natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan naman. Yawa! Once again, maraming salamat po sa napaka-welcome na pagkandak ng Marinduque State College at ng Rotary Club Marinduque Premier. At sa pagkakataon pong ito, ay atin ang formal na umpisahan ang ating pong gawain sa hapong ito. Tinatawagan po natin ang ating mga kasamang Rotarian na i-occupy po itong harapang bahagi ng ating ABR. Kumusta po ang pakiramdam, District Governor Gina? First time niyo po ba na maputungan o matubungan? O, kinukonsidera po namin kayong queen, prinsesa. Alright! Atin na pong tawagan ang ating pong Charter President, Diosdado Zulueta, para sa poll. Sige, interviewin muna natin si District Governor Gina habang. Ano oras po kayo dumating dito? Ang biyahe. Okay na po. Ganda po na sasakyan nyo. Ang lakas maka-artista. Alright, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our dear Rotarian and the first district board member, Antonio Tres Mampuca. Also, ang ating assistant governor, incoming. Nandito rin napaka-supportive. Si AG Buhay. Ay, also, alright. Of course, our governor, District Governor Gina C. Welcome again. District Governor PA20. We also have here District Secretary Operation Jane Garcia. Welcome po. We would like also to acknowledge the District Secretary Events, Fatima Acuña. Hi po. Si also AG Iboy Tan, our Assistant Governor.
Also, nandito rin natin napaka-supportive PP Evangeline Mandia, past president, and our club advisor.
Okay, since we're done with acknowledgement, we shall now begin our program. Of course, with the blessing of the Lord, let us all stand up for the invocation. May I invite everybody to please stand up. The invocation will be followed by the Philippine National Anthem and the Rotary Hymn, so please remain standing. Nag-call to order na ba? Hindi pa. Sorry. Okay, alam niyo naman, first time. Alright, of course, before anything else, we need our president for the call to order. Our charter president, Diosdado Donnie Salweta.
By the power vested in me, the Rotary Club International, I now call this meeting to order.
Ayan. Kaya pala yung PowerPoint ayaw umandar because it's not yet called to order.
May
And now
hinihintay
it's
pa pala.
okay. Alright, so we shall now have our short prayer.
Pero meron na wala.
Buksan mo muna.
be standing.
We'll be playing the newer version of the Rotary Hymn. So, para lang hindi natin malimutan, syempre yung luma, we play. And then, we're gonna hear the new version this time. Okay? Alright, while we're waiting for the newer version, let's introduce ourselves. Pwede siguro upo muna po tayo. Upo muna tayo. It might take a little time to get it prepared. So I'd like to introduce myself. I'm your host, PE. Nalilimutan ko yun. Because I'm not used to hindi naman po kasi ako nakalain. Well, anyway, I'm the President-elect and the Executive Secretary of the Rotary Club Marinduque Premier. And my co-host here is
Your Romeo Matac Jr., the Director for Public Image.
Okay. So, though we are with Rotary Club Marinduque Premier, it might interest you, we are recycled Rotarians. We are also members, no? Old members. Hindi siya, bali kasi siya. Ako old ko. I go way back 2013. I used to be the the secretary of the first class President Giovanni, who is the IHP today, Giovanni Buhain. And this is not the first time, Leon, that I am being the host, no? I started hosting induction way back 2012. Pero pag pala mas matagal na, mas nervyos. Para talagang first time. Siguro pinabagay doon sa being the first time, first go visit. So again, everybody, I'd like to welcome you to the first governor's visit and the second club induction of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. Okay? Yan. So they're still setting up. Baka ang sunod dito, vital statistics ko na ang aking ibigay, no? Kasi nauubusan na po ako ng pag-adlib, okay? Well, parang hindi naman po nagbago yung, yung status. I'm still not on the ready. Is it ready? Okay, so we're now ready. So can I ask them to please stand up? Okay. Siguro mas mabilis. Ganun din. Sa ano lang. Hindi na ako magiging